my name is David Davis and I'm honored to be your instructor for this course. I've created video training on VMware vSphere since it was called ESX Server 3 back when I implemented it in a production data center and simply fell in love with the technology. VMware vSphere powers the majority of the on-premises data centers in the world today, and vSphere administrators are highly sought after in the job market. With the launch of vSphere 7, VMware has unleashed a tremendous amount of innovation, so it's a great time to be learning vSphere. By the end of this course, you will have learned how to monitor VMware vSphere, including the monitoring of tasks, events, alarms, and the configuration of SNMP and SMTP alerts. From there, you'll learn how to install and configure both vRealize operations and vRealize Log Insight. By the end of this course, you'll be able to monitor your vSphere infrastructure and prevent problems before they happen. So buckle up, grab a beverage, and join me on this adventure into monitoring VMware vSphere 7.